How to auto trade on TradingView by strategy. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the official page of Binance and make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, click on Trade over here and then select USD. Now select your desired trading pair. Then click on Tools and then select Webhook Signal Trading. After that, click on Create New Webhook. This interface will pop up. Read all of those guidelines and click on Confirm and Proceed. Now what you want to do is enter the name of the signal. Also select the symbol that you want to use for webhook trading. Once you are done, click on Create Signal. Now simply click on Run Webhook. For the next step, you have to open up your TradingView account, enter your login credential and then sign into your account. For this process, you will need TradingView Pro Plus. Select the USDN trading pair and then click on Launch Start. Or if you want a profitable strategy that give good returns DM on Instagram, well, inside Indicators and Strategies, you can select another strategy. Now head over to the section of Properties. And then over here, you can change this to % of equity. You can also change the specific amount here. Well, if you change it to USDT, you can change the amount to 100. After that, click on OK at the bottom. Then follow the on-screen prompt and you will end up in this page. You will see all the alerts in the alerts panel at the right. And here you go, you have successfully set up the webhook on TradingView. Now you can receive the trading signal directly in your TradingView to enhance your trading strategy. So that's it, and this is simply how you can auto trade on TradingView by strategy. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.